As affiliate marketing becomes mainstream and affiliate programs multiply, it is difficult to know where to start. Affiliate marketing is a wonderful way of developing a parallel stream of income from wherever you are, with a laptop and Wi-Fi. At Lemonads, it is the best life that we can wish upon you. And we can help you achieve this goal as well. But searching and identifying the high-paying affiliate program is tedious and time-consuming. This is why we put together this article. This article will help you identify your niche and present you with the top-paying affiliate programs in each niche. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the new version of a century-long concept, commission-based sales. An advertiser has a product or service to sell, a publisher has a platform to promote it. It can be either a website, a blog, or social media. Each time a publisher enables a sale, they get a commission. In today's world, it happens through affiliate programs directly with brands or affiliate networks such as Lemonads. These platforms enable publishers to subscribe to multiple programs and manage their revenues all in the same place. The key in all this process is affiliate links. Publishers share them with their audience and sales can be referred to them thanks to those links. The affiliate marketing business is estimated to be $12 billion globally. It is interesting to know that when promoting subscription-based products or services, as an affiliate you can get recurring commissions. The commission rate is what will determine the amount or percentage of the sale the affiliate will receive. Some of the top affiliate marketing programs can have 30 days, 45 days, even 90 days cookie duration. This allows the affiliate to be referred even 3 months after the visitor clicked their link. Some of the high-paying affiliate programs are offering up to $150 of commission per sale. Let's see in detail what an affiliate program is. What are affiliate programs? An affiliate program is created by a brand that wants to promote a product or a service. The brand determines technical specifications, for example, if they want leads, in a subscription business for example, or sales, in e-commerce. They also decide on the type of remuneration they want to offer publishers, a percentage or a fixed amount, as well as the cookie duration, or how long after a customer's click will the sale be attributed to the publisher, 1 day, 7 days, in some cases even 30 or 90 days. Publishers can subscribe to affiliate programs and start promoting the brand after validation from the brand or platform providing the program. What is an affiliate link? The affiliate link is the channel through which the publisher will direct its audience to the brand's product or service. It is also through it that the publisher will be referred to when a sale or conversion happens. Affiliate links are generated once the publisher is admitted to the program. What is an affiliate website? There are thousands of ways to make money on the internet, and one of them is to create an affiliate website. This is a site that promotes affiliate products, digital or physical. You do not own any products. You promote other people's products via affiliate links and earn a commission. Unlike an e-commerce site, you do not own the products. You recommend other brands' products or services to your digital audience. You redirect this audience to other sites via an affiliate link and earn a commission. You are also not considered as a marketplace because there is no direct sales system on your website. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe. Click on the link below to visit our website for more detailed information.